afternoon, dear students. I hope you are enjoying your summer vacations and will be fit, healthy, and happy. So, dear students, we are discussing about the summer pack that we have assigned you in your vacations. So, kindly give some time to your study. So, we are here fun and learn summer pack. Our subject is math. I am your math teacher, 5th class. So, kindly open your page number 39 and 40. Here is the topic comparing numbers. Okay, these are the pages. Comparing numbers like less than, greater than, equal. Okay, greater than, less than, and equal. So we have to put the sign on the blanks. ठीक है, in the blanks. Sorry. So you have to find out the numbers by your own self, counting the numbers given in the place. First of all, million, 100,000, 10,000, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. अब देखें millions में 3 है हमारे पास, 100,000 में 2 बॉक्स है, 10,000 में हमारे पास 5 बॉक्सेस है, 1000 में हमारे पास 4 बॉक्सेस है, 100 में हमारे पास 6 है, 10 में हमारे पास 3 है, ones में हमारे पास 6 है. तो जैसे जैसे बॉक्सेस होंगे आपने काउंट करके उनको इस बॉक्स के अंदर नंबर्स को राइट करना है. So now you have to write these numbers in English like 2 million, 3 million, 500 etc. Next page is similar method के साथ आपने solve करने. Page number 40. The question is write your 7 digits numbers, compare them. As we have discussed earlier in the previous lectures in the class, and you have to write. You had written on your notebooks the questions numbers, 7 digits numbers. ठीक है, you have to write these numbers by your own self and write in words. Okay, I hope you understand this topic. Kindly focus on these pages and follow the video lecture.